Hey guys, happy new year. If you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Shayla Rose. So I kind of spent a little money. I got a few things for makeup and I finally got my hands on Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited. So basically I'm going to do an unboxing of Fenty Beauty and this brush company that's on Amazon called BS Small. I'm going to unbox these two items for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. But we're going to start off with the BS Small brushes. BS Small is an Amazon company that basically sells cheap brushes for the starting amount of $10.99. I did my research on them and I decided to buy them to start out using more makeup brushes. I bought this. I think the ones that I got actually cost $11.99, but I heard they were good quality. I heard they were really soft, so I decided to get them. Basically what they come in, and let me pull it out of the bag for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Basically nothing fancy. It doesn't come in like a brush bag or a case or anything, just like a plastic bag. And you get it smells, oh my gosh, this smells so chemically. So I'm gonna open up the bag for you guys. Oh my gosh, like as soon as you like open up the bag, you can, I think it's the plastic or something, but it reeks of chemicals. So these are what the brushes look like. This is a 14, they keep on falling out of my hands, I'm so sorry. But this is a 14 piece brush set. So as you can see, basically it's a gold and it's pink, and the brushes are really kind of soft, so I'm really like happy about that. I just don't like how like all these brushes come like and they smell like chemicals. And there was a note, I can't find it right now, but there was a note that said that the reason why they smell like that is because they're in a bag so long, so it starts smelling like plastic. But even so, like that smell is so alarming. Like, it's insane. It also comes with a little bag, so after you're done washing them and everything, it comes with a little pink bag, and it just says the company's name on it, BS Small. And that is it for the unboxing of these brushes. So let me go ahead and open the Fenty box now. So this is basically what the Fenty box looks like. It's like a plain brown box on the outside, and then it says Fenty on the inside. It's like a huge, this is like the biggest bubble wrap I've ever seen in my life. There's a note that says evict, and it basically just says show us your Fenty face, and it's like hashtag Fenty, so like it's asking you to, so it's just basically asking you to upload your face and tag Fenty Beauty. This is the foundation. Literally, okay, I was waiting for her to like restock on 420, that's my shade, for the longest time, and I looked on the other day and she had restocked it, and I literally had to buy it because all the deep shades selling out so fast. Alright, so this is what my foundation looks like. So yes, my shade is 420. I was looking at the shades 390 to see if I should do that, but I was looking based on my hand, and as you can see, my hand is way lighter than my face. So I went to Sephora and I tested it out, and 420 was the best shade for me. So I can't wait to try this out. I am so excited. And that is it for the unboxing for those two things. Yeah, the video was actually really short. It was shorter than I probably expected, but I didn't really get a lot. I actually was gonna go and do like a massive haul on Kylie Cosmetics, but I decided to just save my money this time and not buy anything. So that was it for those two unboxings. Also, I have a 25% off code for you guys for Mika Sub Beauty, and the code is going to be Miss Shayla Rose 25, so you can use that on your purchase and you'll get 25% off. And go ahead and comment below some Q&A questions you want to ask me, because I might be doing a Q&A video. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.